Hello, good morning students. Welcome to KR Memorial CBSE School, Hero. This is your first standard English class. I am your Rakshita Miss. Okay students, in last class we were discussing, we have started the lesson, first unit of your second term. So that is dogs, which is your first lesson. The name of the first lesson is dogs. So in last class we came to know about the dogs. So dogs, we have seen dogs, and we have seen so many different kinds of dogs. So these dogs, they may differ in their characters, they may differ in their height, they may differ in their strength, they may differ in their appearance. Some of the dogs, they are tall, some of the dogs, they are short, and some of the dogs, they are fat, some of the dogs, they are thin, some are height, some are short. So many small, some are big, some are small. So many kinds of dogs we have seen. And see some dogs' ears. While observing the ears of the dogs, we can see some dogs, they have straight ears, and some dogs, they have hanging down ears. So students, and also we have seen this dogs. Some dogs, they have long tail, and some dogs, they have short tail. Yes, now students, have you seen this? Yes, we have seen this. So some dogs, they have long tail, and some dogs, they have short tail. And some of the dogs, some of the dogs, they don't have any kind of tail. Some dogs have long tail, some dogs, they have short tail, and some dogs, they have no tail at all. So this much we have come to know. So the color, differentiation of the color. So while we see the dogs, the different colors of dogs we can see. See, have you seen different colors of dogs, students? Nodiri, colors are ನಾಯಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಿ ಒಂದೇ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಒಂದೇ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಲರ್? ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಎವರ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇಟ್? No. So why? Because we can see so many colors dogs. So dogs, they not only differ in their strength, they not only differ in their appearance, not only tall, short, big, small, not only rise up the ears, hang down ears, or long tailed dog, or short tailed dog, or no having tall tail dogs. Not only this much, we have seen different colors of dogs. So here in this lesson, they have given us the differentiation, different colors of dogs, whatever dogs we have seen. The dogs can be long or short. Yes, sorry. Dog's hair can be long or short. Dog hair can be of one color. Dog hair can be of more than one color. See students, we have seen the fur on the dog's body. So fur in the sense hairs on the body of the dogs. See dogs, they have the hair on their body. See here in the first picture of the dog, this also have the hair on the body of this dog. So see second dog, it also has the hairs on its body. And see in the third picture, see the third picture, this dog, how much hair this dog it has. So some dogs, they have long hair. See in the first picture, it has hairs. It has hair, but it is not too long. It is not too long, or neither it is tall nor it is short. So this dog, it also has hair, but it is not too long. But see in the second picture, this dog, it has hair, but this dog's hair are very small and very short. And see the third picture, please. See the third picture. the third picture dog. See how long hairs this third picture dog it has. See, we also have seen some dogs having long hair, short hair, medium hair. So many dogs are there. So some dogs they have long hair, some dogs they have short hair, some dogs they don't have any hair. But yes, we have seen this. And color of the hair of the dog, color of the hair of the dog. Yes, the hair of the dog they differ from one dog to another dog. See, some dogs they have red hair. See, you might have seen the dogs with red hair. So some dogs they have red hair. Some dogs they have black hair. Some of the dogs they have white hair. Some of the dogs they have brown hair. So many colors of the hairs they have. And some dogs, yes, we have seen some dogs having two color hairs. Having two color hair. More than one color hair we have seen, and more than two color hair on the body of the dog we have seen. See here in the third picture, this dog it has hair on its body, and the whole body, see the whole body has one color hair only. So no different colors of hair on the body of this dog, but this dog has one color hair. See here in this second picture, this dog it has two color of hairs. So this dog is of three colors. See, in fact it has three colors: white, brown and black. So white, brown, black, three colors of hair this dog it has. So see here. So dogs they have different of colors. Some dogs they have same color hair. Some dogs have two color hair, and some dogs they have more than two color hairs. See here. So in the first picture, see here, this dog it also has two colors of hair. See, yes, like this. Dogs they differ in their color also. Every dog are not of the same kind. Every dog they have their different kinds. So we can see long haired dog, short haired dog, and we can see one colored dog, and we can see more than one color dog. So see, dog are loving pet. Yes, of course students, we all love dogs. So don't you love dogs? Yes, we all love dogs. So in dog it is a domestic animal. So we all love to tame we all like to have a dog as our pet. So nodri namಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾಯಿ ಸಾಕಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತಿದಿಲ್ಲ. So almost all everyone like dog. Everyone likes dog. It is a pet, loving pet. So dogs are commonly tamed. Dogs are commonly domestic animals of the houses. So all the people they like to have their pet dog as their pet. So nodri ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಜನದ ಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಸಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. So for that dog it is a loving pet. Dogs are loving pets. So see here they have given, do you have a pet dog? Take care of your pet. Be kind to your pet. Never hurt your pet. Play with your pet. So students, if you have, do you have a pet in your home? If you have a pet in your home, so what you have to do? So these dogs they are very honest to their masters. So for that what we have to do? You have to take care of those dogs. So if you have a dog as your pet in your home, what you have to do? You have to take care of those dogs. Take care of your pet. If you have a dog as your pet, you have to take care of your pet, and you should not to be cruel to that pet. So what you have to do? You have to be kind to your pet. So you have to love your pet and you have to take care of your pet and you have to be kind towards your pet. So don't beat your pet, don't hurt your pet, don't scold your pet. You have to love your pet, you have to take care of your pet and you have to be kind towards your pet. So never hurt your pet. So students, we have seen some of the people, they beat their dog and they hurt their dog. So that kind of activity, don't do such things, don't do with your pet. So never hurt your pet. Why? Because those pets, they are mute, they can't express their pain towards you. So why? Because they don't have ability to speak out. So don't hurt, they love us too much. So as they love us too much, we also have to love us too much. So that much only we have to give how much love they give to us, that much love we have to give to them. So never hurt your pet. So never ever hurt your pet. You have to love your pet, you have to take care of your pet and you have to be kind towards your pet. Students, if you have any kind of pets in your dog as your, not only dog, if you have any kind of the pets, if you have cat as your pet, if you have a rabbit as your pet, if you have a parrot as your pet, you have to be quiet, we have to be kind towards your pets. So don't hurt your pet, students. Play with your pet. So what you have to do, you have to play with your pets. See here, this boy, he has a pet dog as his pet. So what he is doing, he is playing with his pet. So if you play with your pet, if you spend the time with your pet, they starts loving you too much. So if you give them the love, if you give them the time, if you play with them, they will be very happy. And as well as you will also get the happiness, as well as you will get the happiness and you will get the refreshment. So for that, what you have to do, you have to play with your pet. Okay. So students, next what we have. Okay. So next, your pet needs food and water. Give it good food to eat, give it water to drink, give it a home. It can rest and sleep in this home. See students, how beautifully they have given here. So you have your pet. So suppose think that now you have your pet. So what you are doing, you are taking care of your pet and you are playing with your pet and you are kind towards your pet. Okay, so then the pets, they also need food, water and shelter, no? So what you have to do, you have to give all the necessity things, all the needs, you have to fulfill the needs, all the needs in the sense these dogs or pets, they don't have huge kind of necessities. So they have some basic necessities, basic needs like food and water and shelter. This much only they require. So what you have to do, you have to give all the needs, you have to give all the needs, we have to fulfill all the needs of your pet like food and water. So which kind of food you have to give to your dog? So you have to give a good food to your pet, not only for dog, to your pet. So what you have to do, you have to give good food, not the yesterday's or day before's food or something else. You don't give such kind of food. So what you have to do, you have to give the good food to your pet and water. So everyone need water. So animals also, they also need water to drink. So you have to give the water to your pet in time. So oftenly what you have to do, oftenly you have to give the water to drink to your pet. So if the human beings they are thirsty, what they do, they ask for water and they drink. But what about these pets? They don't have the ability of speaking, so they can't ask you for water, they can't ask you for food. So what you have to do, you have to know the requirements of the pets, and you have to give the good food, and you have to give the water to drink to your pets. And so water, food we have given. So what about the shelter? So we have human beings, we have homes to stay in. So what about these pets? What about these dogs? Yes, to those dogs also what we have to do, we have to give a home. So they don't have the dogs, the pets, they don't need too big house. Only a small kennel we can give. See here in this picture they have given a house to the dog. So this much space is enough for the dog. So what we have to do, we have to give a house, we have to give a home to the dog. Why we have to give the home to the dog or your pet? Why? Because that to sleep, to take rest, it can in that kennel, in that home, dog's home, it can take rest and it can sleep there and it can remain there. So students, what we have to do, we have to give good food, water, and we have to provide a home to our pet. So we should be kind towards our pet, we should play with our pet, and we never have to hurt our pet. We should take care of our pet. So students, in this class we came to know so many things about the dogs. So the height, the size, the color, the ears, the hair, and the tail, about the tail, how they differ in each other, we came to know about the dogs. So students, in next class we will discuss the question answers of this unit. So students, here we have completed the lesson, first unit of the second term, dogs. So in tomorrow's next class we will discuss the question answers of this unit, students.